Hello everyone. Today is December 20, 2021. The following are the important articles that we have to read from the Hindu newspaper for competitive exams. The first article is not an article but a picture. A root bridge at Mawlong in Meghalaya. Such bridges have fashioned by Khashi villagers over decades by weaving the roots of ficus trees. Two things: learn about the people in Meghalaya, particularly in the region of this, where they have been building bridges so that they can cross streams and rivers by using natural methods. Again, prelims perspective, try to understand the location and the tribal people of Meghalaya. From that perspective, this becomes little bit of an importance. Moving on, Sri Lanka arrests 55 Indian fishermen. First thing that you have to notice is what is the historical background of the skirmishes between Indian fishermen and Sri Lankan Navy. What are the issues? Why Sri Lanka opposes Indian men fishing in Indian waters or international waters? So that is what you have to understand from this. Historical perspective is far more important. Six nations call for immediate aid for Afghans. So, what are the hindrances in providing aid to the ailing Afghanistan, which is currently being controlled by a Taliban regime? Which are the countries opposing giving aid? Which are the countries that are imposing sanctions on Afghanistan, both financial and humanitarian? And the second aspect of it is which countries are trying to provide aid to Afghanistan. So, the reasons for and against providing aid to Afghanistan needs to be discussed. The second is OIC countries to set up fund. So what is the OIC organization? What was the mandate that it was set up with? Who are members of OIC? Is India a member of OIC? So from that perspective, you have to approach this article. Coming to page number 4, states Thar Desert expanding fast with land degradation finds steady. So two things you have to observe here. What is land degradation? What is expanding of desert? Particularly why Thar desert is expanding? What are the disadvantages of it? What are the reasons for it? What are the steps to counter expansion of deserts, not only in the world but also in our country? Where are the instances in our country? Not only Thar desert, we have some other deserts which are smaller in size, but they too are expanding. Try to understand the reasoning behind it. What are the dangers involved in it, and what would be the potential solution to this expansion of deserts? That is how you approach this article. Coming to page number 5, again states Indian desert cat spotted in Panna Tiger Reserve. Where is Panna Tiger Reserve? What are desert cats, particularly Indian desert cats? Why this spotting is significant? What is their current ranking or listing or status in the IUCN list? And how India is it protected under Indian wildlife laws or not? That is the perspective that you have to approach with this article. Coming to editorial, testing the red lines in the Iran nuclear talks. So this article talks about the Iran nuclear deal, how long we can stretch by going against this. Will Iran be able to achieve nuclear proliferation at one point or the other? So from that perspective, you have to look at this article. Age and marriage. So this is in regards to the recent decision by the government of India to increase the marriage eligibility age of legal age, to be very clear, of women from 18 to 21 to match with that of the males. So there is a little bit of a conundrum here, because there are faith-based laws and faith-based principles that do not adhere to the government law that is being brought in. So at that helm of it, there is a conflict of faith versus government legislation. That is what this article discusses, and you have to be aware, because in a country like us where faith drives a lot of society, you have to understand that the conflict will always give rise to some sort of an opposition. From that perspective, read this article. Now moving on, op-ed page number 7, can India become a technology leader? Again, the question needs to be answered. It is a broad based question, but nonetheless, for you, for exam perspective, for us, what we have to do is we have to come up with points that are actually for uh, India becoming a technology leader. So the question is, can India become a technological leader? So the short answer would be yes, but the path that it has to take is far more rigid and far more treacherous, in the sense that the commitments that Indian government, whichever it is in power, must give to for making India a better technological leader. Again, a lot of factors, but since we do not go political in examinations, you have to look at the policy side of it, the finances side of it, the commitment side of it, the investment side of it, not only from private sector but particularly in public sector, because public sector, as the tagline of this article suggests, is the seed that grows into an entire industry. From that perspective, try to get 4 or 5 points that are nuanced and balanced. Now, moving on, neither ban nor regulate crypto. So, this is in regards to the cryptocurrency. Should the Indian government regulate cryptocurrency? Should the Indian government ban cryptocurrency? Since cryptocurrency discussion is very deep, it doesn't have two sides, it has multiple sides. So, you need to get for, against sides so that you can give a balanced explanation in your answers, whether it may be mains, whether it may be interview. So that is why you need to get a basic understanding of both sides of the argument, and this particular article deals with the other side. Try to understand it from that perspective too. Coming to page number 8, mental disability, SC sets aside disciplinary action. So this article particularly deals with mental disability, people with mental disability being punished. So should they be punished or not? So just informative exam point of view, not much important, but being aware that Supreme Court views mental disability as a disability is certainly a welcome sign in the long run of the things. And just informative, nothing important for exam. Better coordination needed between NDRF, SDRF, SHA. So you need to understand what is the reason behind our Honorable Home Minister calling for a better coordination between national level disaster response forces and state disaster response forces. So try to understand the NDRF Management Act, something like that. You have to get the role of state and the role of center and the limitations in both of those things. University for Cooperation Training. So what is this University for Cooperation Training? What is the need for it? What was the genesis of it? From that perspective, do read this article. Coming to page number 9, priority for bill on voter ID Aadhaar link. So two things here. What is the need for linking of voter ID and Aadhaar? Is it valid? Does it violate any privacy laws? Does it violate any individual's right to vote? So you need to not only look it from technological standpoint of view, but you need to look it from rights perspective. See, there are a lot of issues regarding not only voter rights in our country, voter IDs in our country, but also other IDs in regards to privacy and data protection laws. So by linking voter ID, your voter rights with a digital ID, that is Aadhaar, does that violate an individual's right to vote? So you need to get an understanding of that point of view also, because mind you, there are certain outstanding issues with Aadhaar too. They are not foolproof. We have been seeing instances where Aadhaars were being faked to a greater extent. So does this, not only that, we have an issue of voter manipulation in our country too, not to a greater extent but to an extent where it is worrisome. So you need to understand, would the linking stop or would it lead to or give rise to new issues? From that perspective, you have to look at it. Now coming to portion data under wraps for privacy. So what is this portion data issue? What was the need for it to be protected? What are the privacy issues? What was the need for them to be started at this protected under uh, as privacy by the ministry? From that perspective, just read this article. Most important point of view is to be, what would be the likely uses of portion data, why it is a critical tool in addressing policy issues. Cautious welcome for Gadrichole's first jumbos. Location, the reserve or the reserve forest area that you have to understand, the name, and why it is a significant step, and what were the reasons for these animals to be extinct in that particular region in the first place. So these are the issues that you have to go about. Coming to page number 10, Goa never forgot its Indianness, Modi. So you have to remember the liberation of Goa from Portugal 60 years ago, 60th anniversary. This year saw so many anniversaries, the 50th anniversary of 97 war. Not only that, the 60th anniversary of liberation of Goa from the hands of Portugal, from the clutches of Portugal, if you will. So historically, you have to go about this article. Avoid self-medication, GCA to pilots. Just informative, exam point of view, don't worry about it. Mormugao, the Navy's second indigenous stealth destroyer of the P-15B class, set to be commissioned in mid-2020, proceeding on its maiden sortie on Sunday. So try to understand what is P-15B class, what is stealth destroyer, why it is indigenous, why it is significant. From that perspective, read. The first destroyer, you should remember the name. Private hospitals to be tagged for being breastfeeding friendly. So you have to look about this from two perspectives. What are the issues with the concept or the idea of breastfeeding in our country? There are certain issues where it is still seen as a social um, no in social places, but at the end of the day it is something that has to be done to protect not only the child but in some cases the mother too, because there are certain implications when breastfeeding is not done properly, not only for the child but also for the mother. But in a country where we suffer with large sections of the society undernourishment, malnourishment, breastfeeding becomes a critical tool in ensuring that the child gets what they need for their proper growth. So that is why you have to understand and promote the idea of breastfeeding, and that is something we have been struggling. And this particular is concerned to hospitals, but my suggestion would be to try to get an understanding of the scenario of breastfeeding in our country. That is that perspective will certainly help you. Coming to page number 11, that is World Low Turnout for Hong Kong Patriots Poll. What is Patriots Poll? Why it is controversial? What is the current scenario with Hong Kong? Very important given the current crisis that is brewing between Taiwan and China. At OIC summit, countries vowed to provide aid to Afghanistan. As I said in the first page, you have to understand what OIC is, what role India has been playing in OIC, does it have the membership, why it is being not given the membership, why it needs to be given the membership, and what is the need. Coming back to the Afghanistan side of it, what are the current roadblocks in providing aid to Afghanistan and who is creating them. Coming to text and context, understanding the US strategy for Asia pivot, why US is shifting its focus from Central Asia, Middle East to South Asia, particularly Indo-Pacific region. That is a perspective that you have to approach for this article. Coming to the next one, what kept cybersecurity busy in 2021? This is going to be an important area for discussion. This area is going to be a very important point of discussion for all the examinations, prelims, mains, and interview phases. From that perspective, read this article. Cybersecurity, you should be on point whenever something is asked regarding to cybersecurity in our country. Thank you. Stay safe. Namaste.